If you've posted on Facebook, watched the YouTube videos, maybe even bought a few make money online courses, and you're still stuck at $0, this is for you. Because the problem might not be you. It might be that your Facebook profile is working against you instead of for you. In this video, I'm going to break down a $7 training called Facebook 101 that shows you how to turn your personal Facebook profile into a simple income system. And if you decide it's for you, I've put together 3 powerful bonuses you'll only get through my link that make it almost impossible not to take action. Stay with me for a few minutes. This tiny $7 decision might fix the way you use Facebook forever. Chane. Hey, I make videos for people who are seriously tired of trying things online that never seem to work. If that's you, if you've tried posting about your business, your opportunity, your program, and you're getting a couple of likes, maybe a random comment, but no real leads, no buyers, then this video is going to make a lot of sense. Because Facebook 101 isn't about becoming an influencer, running ads, or being glued to your phone 24/7. It's a simple 3-step organic system to 1. Fix your profile. 2. Connect with the right people. And 3. Post in a way that actually leads to conversations and sales. And then I'm going to show you the extra tools I'm giving you as bonuses so you don't just buy it, you actually use it. Let's be real for a second. Most people using Facebook for business right now are posting randomly, talking to whoever happens to be in their friends list, guessing what to say in posts and in the DMs, and then wondering why nothing changes. You might feel like Facebook just doesn't work anymore, or the algorithm hates me. But in most cases, nobody ever showed you how to set up your profile so buyers actually want to click and connect, how to fill your friends list with people who are already interested in what you offer, and how to post with a purpose, not just for likes, but for leads. That's where Facebook 101 comes in. So what is Facebook 101? It's a step-by-step training that walks you through a 3-step system for using your personal profile to generate leads and sales without paid ads, complicated funnels, tech headaches, or spamming friends and family. Here's the quick breakdown. Step 1. Set up smart. You learn how to turn your profile into a buyer magnet. What to put in your bio, what to clean up, how to create curiosity without looking like a billboard. Step 2. Connect with intention. Instead of adding random people, you discover how to find and connect with people who are already clicking, buying, and engaging around your niche. Step 3. Post with purpose. You get a framework for 3 types of posts that build trust, pull people into conversations, and make them want to ask, "So, what are you doing?" On top of that, inside the offer, there are built-in bonuses like post ideas, Reels resources, and more. So for $7, you're not exactly getting shortchanged. But here's where most people still get stuck. They buy Facebook 101, they skim a few videos, and then life happens, and nothing really changes. That's why I added my own bonus stack on top of this. If you grab Facebook 101 through my link in the description or pinned comment, I'm going to give you 3 extra bonuses that are all about implementation, conversations, and speed. Let me show you what you're getting. Bonus number 1 is my Facebook 101 Fast Start Implementation Checklist. Think of this as your Don't Let This $7 Collect Dust plan. It walks you through your first 3 days after buying. What to watch first inside Facebook 101. Exactly what to fix on your profile. What to post on day 1, day 2, and day 3. How to start your first simple DMs based on your new posts. Instead of wondering, where do I start? You just log in, open the checklist, tick off the steps. By the end of day 3, you'll have a cleaner profile, posts actually live on your page, and real conversations starting. Bonus number 2 is called the Messenger Money Map, turning Facebook 101 engagement into actual buyers. Facebook 101 helps you get seen. This guide helps you turn attention into income. Inside, I show you the simple flow: post, engagement, conversation, invite, buyer. Copy and paste DM openers for people who like or comment on your posts. Permission-based invite scripts, so you're never pushy or spammy. A quick daily messenger checklist, so you always know what to do in your inbox. If you've ever stared at your messenger thinking, "What do I even say?" this bonus will be your new best friend. Chayu. Bonus number 3 is the Facebook 101 AI Power Pack. Posts, DMs, and profile prompts for burned-out beginners. You already get 2,000 post ideas inside the main Facebook 101 offer, which is awesome. But ideas don't write themselves. This is where AI comes in. This pack gives you detailed prompts you can drop into ChatGPT or any similar tool. 2. Rewrite your bio and intro so they match what you're learning in Facebook 101. Turn those post ideas and lessons into actual posts you can copy, paste, and tweak. Generate DM scripts for starting conversations, inviting people, and following up. Build a simple 7-day content and messenger action plan you can rinse and repeat, so even when you're tired or doubting yourself, you can still keep your content and conversations flowing. Shasham. So let's zoom out for a second. For about the cost of a cheap takeaway, you're getting a full training that shows you how to turn your Facebook profile into a simple income system. Plus, my fast start checklist, so you actually get moving in 3 days. Plus, the Messenger Money Map, so you know how to turn engagement into buyers. Plus, the AI Power Pack, so you're never stuck on what to write or say. All of that for $7. And if for some reason you go through the training and feel like it's not helping, there's a refund guarantee on top. It's honestly one of the lowest risk, highest leverage skills you can pick up if you're already on Facebook every day anyway. If you're still watching, here's what to do next. 1. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment. It'll take you straight to the Facebook 101 page. 2. Grab the training while it's still at the low launch price. 3. After you've purchased, just email or DM me your receipt or a quick screenshot, and I'll send you access to the Fast Start Implementation Checklist, the Messenger Money Mapo, and the Facebook 101 AI Power Pack. If you're tired of random posting and guessing, this gives you a real simple system to follow. You don't need to be a guru. You don't need to go viral. You just need a clear plan for how to use the platform you're already on every day. That's what Facebook 101 gives you, and that's what my bonuses are built to support. Click the link below, grab the training, claim your bonuses, and let's finally make your Facebook profile work the way it should.